Hell's Kitchen, one of our favorite places to eat. Let's go. Hell's Kitchen. There's my beautiful wife. Hey, honey, we've been married for a little over a month now. How's it feeling?
How does it feel?
Yeah.
A long time?
Oh, well, that wasn't the response I was hoping for. Oh, well. How much you love your man?
So much. No, thank you. Crispy.
Thank you. What a fantastic meal here at Hell's Kitchen. You can see they mimic the show where they put the red team versus the blue team here. So good. Great meal with my baby girl. Love my wife. So good.
No, not really.
Put the strap on so I can see. We are going to Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips right here outside of the strip. Awesome place. Woo! Come on. Ready? Let's go. Check it out. Amazing shake.
We got the famous Gordon Ramsay's tartar sauce, mango curry, and the spicy aioli sauce. Look at how thick, juicy, crispy each fish fillet is. Okay, I got the mango curry to go with their garlic parmesan fries. They're to die for. And look, I'm almost done. If you like this, trash.
I would rate the fish here at 9.5. Delicious, soft, flaky, it melts in your mouth. It is beautiful fish. I like it.